Hi guys, welcome to today's class. In today's class, we'll be talking about how to design a very simple flyer. My name is Rench Rose, your Onvo teacher. So let's get down into this design. So first, we're going to be deleting these defaults and getting ready our background. So let's go to the background icon here and change the color. We're using a navy blue color and the color code is, let's insert the color code 0A032F. So this is the color code of the design of our background. Color code of our background, sorry. So this is the background we'll be using. Now the next thing for us in this design is to insert a texture. So we're going to be inserting a texture. Okay, we'll be using this texture. Alright, so we have to fit in the texture so it can lap properly on the design, on the background. Sorry, I don't know I'm calling it design, on the background. And then we reduce the opacity of this texture to 6. Great. Then we're going to lock this texture so it doesn't affect other designs. Now the next thing for us to do is to insert a shape, a rectangular shape, and take it to the middle, the bottom rather. Take it to the bottom here. It's already properly balanced, so great. We're going to lock it again and we're inserting another shape, still a rectangular shape, at the top right corner. Okay, all right, that's okay. And the color code for this rectangular shape, let's quickly insert it, is FBC 503. So this is the color code, it's a yellow color. This is the color code for this shape. Let's adjust it upwards a bit. Okay, that's great. Now the next thing for us to do is to insert our text. So the text is designing. Okay, we are starting with this designing. Let's quickly change the font to Montserrat's extra bold. Okay, this is great. And realign it to the middle. Position it to the middle, sorry. And change the color to the previous yellow we used. Alright, this is becoming more like it. So let's increase the size a bit to 105. To 100. 100 is fair enough. So we're positioning it again to the middle. Great. Now let's copy this text and align it to the middle. Then we edit it. Designing made easy. Now we're going to reduce the size of this. To 75 and align it to the middle. So the color for this would be white, which is all F. So designing made easy. The next thing for us to do is to copy any of this and insert an exclamation mark. let's quickly, it's not working. Let's quickly move it here and increase the size. Still increasing the size. It's not there yet. Now we're going to check for alignment. If the exclamation mark is aligned with the both text. So if there's no alignment, we're going to align it. Alright, that's just it. That's just it. Okay, so we are done with that. Now we're going to insert 2 more texts and see how it goes. So let's copy this again. And insert this. There's this shape, I would say, kind of circle that is found on your keyboard. So click on this 1, 2, 3 icon on your keyboard. I don't know your kind of keyboard, but just click on that. If you use the same keyboard as I do, Microsoft Swift key, then you're going to see this inverted bracket and equal sign. Just click on it and you see this dotted arrow for degree, this degree icon here. Just tap on it. That's what we'll be using in the other text. So do that. So the first text here is logo, and we're using the same degree symbol again. And the next one is flyer. And the other one again is business card. And printing. And branding. Okay, this should be just enough. So we're going to reduce the size of this. Okay, I think this is all right. And align it to the middle. Let's justify it. Okay, this is looking more like it. So we're going to change the font type. Still in the Montserrat family, but we're going to be using the Montserrat semi-bold. Right, so we're not using the extra bold, we're just using the semi-bold. Okay, we're supposed to make this all capital. Right, that's more like it. And we're changing the color to yellow. All right, this is it. It's making more sense now. So the next thing for us to add to this design is our contact detail. So let's just copy any of them. Let's copy this and change the color to black. Color code for black is 0 or true. Six zeros. Okay, so that's your black color, and we're going to change the font to semi bold. Semi bold, alright, that's it. And we're reducing the size to about 40 rather, sorry, to 40. So it's going to be call or WhatsApp. So you have to include your phone number here. So this is my phone number. Call or WhatsApp Rose. So this is my phone number, and I'll be aligning it to the middle. Now this entire design, we want to align it properly. So we're starting with the designing made easy. Let's align it to the middle. So designing made easy and the exclamation mark, we're aligning them. Oh, that's gonna spoil. It's not aligned. So let's take it back. Okay, I'm just simply going to leave it as it is. Designing made easy, and okay, let's just align just the designing made easy. Okay, that's it. Okay, and this, perfect. So we're just going to adjust this a bit, and okay, so let's take the designing made easy up a bit. Alright, then adjust this a bit. Great. So one last thing, let's reduce the opacity of the texture a little bit again. So I think 4 is just perfect. 4 is just perfect. So this is just how you can easily create a very simple flyer design. It doesn't have to be so flamboyant. If you just want to do something very simple, you can pick up something like this and show that all design principles are being used. You can see there's emphasis here, which is the designing. There's hierarchy, designing made easy. Then you can see the services being offered, logo, flyer, business card. You can see there's hierarchy from the designing made easy, from the design to made easy to logo design and the rest. You could know which comes first and when the effort is. Now the alignment is on the center. Every other thing, the white space, the negative space, is all intact. So if you're making your design, ensure you are using the design principle. Work with it to make sure your design is on point, so you can easily create a very simple flyer.